Hi friends, today I will tell you how to retrieve the article from official website of my hospital, that is AKUH, the Aga Khan University Hospital, Karachi. Here we go. This is the web address of our institute, vpn.aku.edu. When you log in to your address, then it comes to Word, then click on the web bookmark and then go into FHS Library e-resources. When you click it, then it will open the window of our whole library page. There are the multiple sections. We will go only to e-journals. E-journal, it means here if you put the name of the journal and this journal is available in our library, then you can retrieve it very easily. Let's take a demo. For example, here I put Nursing Made Incredible Easy. This is the name of the journal and it is my favorite journal. Then go here. You can see that the Nursing Made Incredible Easy is available in our data resource. So click on it. Be patient, my internet speed is slow. Therefore, enjoy the time. You can sing a song of Luckily It Open. So here you can see that the new journal of the new publication of this journal. Yes. This is volume 15, Jan and Feb 2017. So this is the theme cover of this journal, and here is the list of the total available article in this journal. So if you want to go towards the previous articles, then you can go 16, 15, 14, 13, but it is difficult to search any article because you don't know where is your selected article is available. So here is a search option. For example, you want to know